Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now we are going to present to you guys about fungal as renewable resources. Here are our team members: Sazwana, Batisha, Anishafia, Koim, and Guzaima.
Our reliance on traditional energy like coal and oils has left a big damage to our environment. Though it contributed a lot to our economical growth and GDP of our country, it came with a significant cost of our planet. Sure, we can use alternative energy renewable sources such as wind and solar, but they are too costly and expensive. This leaves many regions to be vulnerable on energy insecurities and environmental degradation. However, we found hope in mycology as we found out that we can exploit this nature fungus to create our own fuel. Today, we're going to talk about how we can use fungus to generate alternative renewable energy.
So moving on to mycology. Mycology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of fungi, including their genetic and biochemical properties, their taxonomy and classification, their beneficial and harmful effect, and their use in various industries. Mycology encompasses the study of all types of fungi, including yeast, mold, and mushroom. So moving on to the scope of mycology, which is agriculture, pathology, and ecology. In agriculture, the fungi benefit was examined. For example, the mycorrhizae. Other than that, it is used for managing the harmful fungi, for example, the crop pathogen. Next, in pathology, it is used to understand the fungal disease that affect plants, animals, and humans. And lastly, for ecology, it is used to investigating the role of fungi in ecosystem, including their interaction with other organisms. Move on to the next slide, which is we are going to see the fungal diversity. Fungi represent an incredibly diverse group of organisms and wide range of form and function. This diversity can be seen in their morphology, life cycle, and ecological roles. So, there are four major fungi groups, which is Residiomycota, Zygomycota, Ascomycota, and Cytridiomycota. As for Residiomycota, it is named for the club-shaped structure called basidia, where basidia spores are produced. This can be seen in mushroom, shrub fungi, puff, and others. Next is the Zygomycota. Zygomycota is known for their zygosporangia, where zygospores are produced. This zygospore can be seen in red pot-like rhizospores. The next major for fungi is Ascomycota. Ascomycota is the largest family of fungi, known for their sac-like structure called asci, where ascospores are produced. This can be seen in yeast like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, used in baking and brewing. Other than that, mold like Aspergillus and Penicillium that is important for antibiotic and food production. And the last one is Cytridiomycota. Cytridiomycota is mostly aquatic fungi with flagellated spores. These flagellated spores which distinguish them from other fungi. This can be seen in the cytid fungus, which causes cytridiomycosis in amphibians. So we are going to look at the fungal diversity, form, and function. The first one is morphological diversity. A fungi can be unicellular or multicellular. The multicellular fungi is made of hyphae and form a mycelium. Next is reproductive diversity. A fungi can reproduce both asexually and sexually. Sexual reproduction involves the formation of spore through meiosis, while the asexual reproduction involves the spore formation through mitosis. And the last one is ecological roles. A fungi can act as decomposers, symbionts, and pathogens.
Now, I will talk about the applications, the energy production in mycology. Mycorrhizal. So, what is mycorrhizal? Mycorrhizal is the production of biodiesel from microbial sources, which is fungi, as an alternative to traditional fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. Several endophytic fungi may make mycorrhizal water organic compounds, VOCs, with characteristics akin to fossil fuels. Some fungi, like Nadolisporium, have the ability to create phenol or volatile components and add cyclohexane. These components could be mixed with the gasoline in the ratio of 8 parts to produce fuels with octane rating of 95. A detailed analysis of volatile organic products of a number of endophytic fungi of these compounds, along with their related substances, are the principal ingredients of regular diesel fuel. And some researchers suggest that some or all of crude oil may have originated from microbial sources.
I will explain the application of fungal energy production, which is pre-treatment of lignocellulosic biomass. Lignocellulosic biomass is the main component of plant waste that is resistant to degradation due to its complex structure of cellulase, hemicellulase, and lignin. Trichoderma fungi, such as Trichodermaliaceae, are known for their ability to produce high levels of cellulase and hemicellulase enzymes that can break down this lignocellulosic structure and facilitate microbial breakdown during anaerobic digestion. The breakdown of these components increases the surface area available for enzymatic hydrolysis. This process leads to higher yields of fermentable sugars, can be further processed into valuable biofuels like biogas and biomethane. By using trichoderma as a biological pre-treatment method, the conversion of lignocellulosic waste into biofuels is optimized, resulting in increased yield and sustainable energy production.
Mycodicel derived from fungal source and biomass pretreatment are pivotal in advancing sustainable energy solution. However, their widespread adoption face significant technical, economic, and environmental challenge. Firstly, technical challenge. Improving lipid production pathway and optimizing enzyme for breaking down to lignin and cellulose structure are necessary for creating fungi that can efficiently convert various plant materials into biodiesel. Next, from an economic standpoint, the high initial costs of equipment and processing impede the ability to increase productions. In order to rival traditional in-food, it is crucial to have cost-effective farming techniques and enhance the operational efficiency. Market success relies on proving that it is economically feasible, has environmental advantage, and is compatible with current food infrastructure. Lastly, meeting regulatory requirements for genetically modified organisms and biofuel quality standards remains obstacles. Environmental advantages such as diminished greenhouse gas emission need to be supported by the throughout evaluation. Implementing sustainable practice in sourcing biomass and managing resource is crucial for both environmental stewardship and long-term success.
To conclude our video, fungi play an important role in the nature as they provided us with new ways to create energy. We can use them to create a much better mycodiesel that were far more cheaper to produce and more effective than ordinary commercialized gas. However, we still have problems to produce the substances in industrial scale. We hope the government will take our concern and invest their budget into our ideas in the future to change Malaysia into a more eco-friendly country that integrates technology and nature as one complex that completes each other. Thank you.